Hi everyone, in this session I'm going to show you that an unpaid invoice, the customer has not paid the invoice and it's returning the material and asking to reduce the AR. So in that scenario, you need to go for sales module, go to sales return, click on sales return. So now you will see that sales return transactions created earlier. Click on create new. So once you click on create new, a screen will open, which is nothing but the sales return form screen. Pick the transaction type as invoice because it's doing the against invoice. And then in the transaction reference, you can type the invoice number or you can search using the ClickUp lens. Right now, I know the invoice number, so I'm typing the invoice number, or even you can select using the dropdown. So as you can see, this is the invoice and it's showing that unpaid, the customer has not paid. And now customer is returning the stock to us. So you can select the date of return on which they are making the return. Reason, stock is damaged or something during the delivery of the stock was damaged. So that's the reason why the customer is returning the stock. And now return type should be credit because it's a credit invoice. And link to invoice should be yes, apply to invoice should be yes. Now, here you have two items. One is fish, one is fabrication. And let's say this is a non-inventory item, the customer does not want to return it. You can just remove this item by clicking on this delete icon. So the fabrication is removed. Now out of this fish, customer is returning only because 5 was sold and customer is returning only 1 because 1 is damaged. So you can just type in 1 quantity. So it's nothing but a partial return. And now it will come back, return stock is yes. And the location is selected as store. If you want to select any other location, just tap on this. It will open the location dropdown and you can select it. And then click on add. So now system will create or reduce the AR. System will reduce this invoice value directly by creating the credit note and settling it against the invoice, as well as system will reverse the stock, meaning system will add back these items to this location with this quantity. So now the fish item is added to the store location with 1 quantity back because the return stock is yes. In order to see that, you can just go to report view. In that, you can see the ledger impacts and along with the stock movement. Now you can see that it will be quantity in. So 1 has come to the store location. It's the location. Thank you.